Want to know how to change your name on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to change a name on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the Edit Profile option right beside the Share Profile. At the top, you can see the Name option. Tap on the Name option. Now write the name that you want. After writing the name, tap on the Save option at the top right corner of your screen. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the Confirm button to change your name. So this is how you can change your name on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.